Mr. President, Islamophobia is a reality. If I may speak for a moment in my national capacity, I would like to recall that the issue of Islamophobia was first raised by my Prime Minister, Imran in his first address to the General Assembly on 27 September 2019, and he has since repeatedly called for international attention and efforts to address this adverse phenomenon. Mr. President, Islamophobia, its manifestations, hate speech, discrimination, and violence against Muslims, are proliferating in several parts of the world. Such acts of discrimination, hostility, and violence towards Muslims, individuals and communities, constitute grave violations of their human rights and violate their freedom of religion and belief. They also cause great anguish within the Islamic world. In his dedicated report on the issue of Islamophobia last year, the Special Rapporteur on freedom of religion or belief stated, and I quote, "Since 9/11, terrorist attacks, institutional suspicion, and fear of Muslims and those perceived to be Muslim has escalated to epidemic proportions. In such climates of exclusion, fear, and distrust, Muslims often feel stigma, negative stereotyping and shame, and a sense that they are suspect communities that are being forced to bear collective responsibility for the actions of a small fringe minority."